Hi friends, Miss Glenn here. Welcome to math lesson number 10. We are finally in double digits, and that's exciting because that means our number of the day today is going to be 10. But we will touch on that in a minute. We're going to start this morning with some happy counting. So remember, thumbs up, count up, sideways, pause, and down is count down. But we're going to put a little twist on it. We just started learning how to count the say 10 way. So that's how we're going to count for this activity right now. So remember, we count normally all the way up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then instead of saying 11, we say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. What would be next? 10, 5. Yep, very good. So we're going to start at the number 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 5, 10, 4, 10, 3, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9. Here's where we are. 10, 9. A full 10, 9 ones. What would come next? How many full 10s do we have now? 2 10s. Very good. Let's play cold call. So with cold call, I'm going to say a number, and then when I point to you, I want you to tell me what is one more. So if I say 6, you'd say 7, one more than the number that I say. Let's go. 8, 9, 4, 5, 12, 13, 15, 16, last one, 18, 19. Good job. We're going to go ahead and do our number of the day. Now, if yesterday our number of the day was 9, what's our number of the day today? One more. Our number of the day is going to be 10. Our number of the day is going to be 10. So I'll write my number 10. I'll write my word, T-E-N. This template is linked below if you'd like to print it out or use it on your device. Then we can move on to tallies. And remember, something special happens with each group of 5. For tallies, we cross diagonally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can easily see I have 2 groups of 5, 5, 10. Then I'll go over here and I'll do my drawing, my 10 dots, and I'll pretend I'm drawing them in a 10 frame to keep them neat and organized. And then I'll go below to my actual 10 frame. And today is the first day I get to fill the whole thing in because we made it to 10. We have one full group of 10. Now we're going to go below and we'll do one more, counting on, and one less, counting back. So what is one more than 10? 10, 11. Good. One more than 10 is 11. What's one less than 10? 10, 9. One less than 10 is 9. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to do our base 10 blocks. Remember, yesterday is the first day we did this with 9, and we just had to draw 9 cubes. But today is special because we're at 10. So when we're at 10, we have our 10 cubes here, and we're going to show them in one straight line up and down. And we're going to know that is 10. So all I have to draw today is one line in my base 10 box. What does this one line represent? How many? What's our number of the day? This one line represents 10. Good. Now I'm going to move on to my dice. But remember, the dice only goes up to what number? The dice only goes up to 6. So I have to think of a way I can use the dice to show 10. Could I do 7 and 3 if I wanted to use the dice to show 10? Yes or no? What do you think? No, why not? Because there is no 7 on the dice. It only goes up to 6. So I can't do 7 and 3. There's no 7. Let's see. Could I use the 6? How many would 6 need to get to 10? 6. How many would 6 need to get to 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Yeah, I could do 6 and 4. Let's see if there's another way I could use the dice to show. Could I do 5? Yeah, I could do 5 and 5. So go ahead and draw your 2 boxes because we need 2 dice today to show 10. Draw your 2 boxes. And I'm going to do 5 and 5 because we did 6 last time. So just like they are on the dice, I'm going to draw them on my paper. And I have 5 and 5 to show 10. Good job, friends. All right, we are done with number of the day. You can go ahead and put that to the side and get your application journal. Remember, if you don't have an application journal, a piece of paper is just fine for today. We just want to be able to draw out our problem. In our application journal, we're going to go to the very next blank page to keep our work nice and organized. And then close your eyes to show me that you're ready. Get ready to visualize the math problem. Okay, picture this in your head as I'm reading. The class is collecting canned food to help those in need. The teacher brings in 3 cans to start the collection. On Monday, Becky brings in 2 cans. On Tuesday, Talia brings in 2 cans. On Wednesday, Brendan brings in 2 cans. How many cans were there at the end of each day? Open your eyes and watch my hands. The class is collecting canned food to help those in need. The teacher brings in 3 cans to start the collection. On Monday, Becky brings in 2 cans. On Tuesday, Talia brings in 2 cans. On Wednesday, Brendan brings in 2 cans. How many cans are there at the end of each day? All right, now let's think. We have to show this using a drawing. Well, I know that they started off with 3 cans because the teacher brought in 3 cans to get them going. So I'm going to draw my 3 cans. And then I'm going to think, okay, how many cans were added on Monday? On Monday, Becky brought in 2 cans. So I'm going to draw 2 more cans underneath it, and I'm going to label it M for Monday so I don't get confused. They started with 3, and then Monday, Becky brought in 2 more. So how many cans did they have at the end of Monday? Show me on your hand. How many cans did they have at the end of Monday? 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they had 5 cans at the end of Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 5 right next to my Monday. And then on Tuesday, Talia brought in 2 more cans. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my 2 cans. What should I label this row? Maybe T for Tuesday. Good idea. All right, now we have to see. On Monday at the end of the day, they had 5 cans. And then Tuesday, they got 2 more. How many did they have at the end of the day Tuesday? 5, 6, 7. Good job. On Wednesday, Brendan brought in 2 more cans. Go ahead and see if you can draw your dots. Think about what are you going to label that row? And how many cans did they have at the end of the day on Wednesday? When you're done, you can go ahead and look at the screen and check it with mine. 2 more cans on Wednesday. I labeled it W for Wednesday. And they had 9 cans at the end of Wednesday. 7, 8, 9. Now, this isn't even in the problem, but you guys seem really smart, so I bet you can figure it out. If this pattern continued on Thursday, 2 more cans, 2 more cans, 2 more cans, how many cans would they have at the end of Thursday if this pattern continued? If you had 11, show me a thumbs up. If this pattern continued, they'd get 2 more cans on Thursday, and they would have 9, 10, 11 cans at the end of the day on Thursday. Good job. Okay, that is our application problem for today. We are going to now move on to a word problem here. So let's see. There are 4 dogs and 5 cats. How many pets are there in all? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is circle my numbers so that I can see very easily the numbers I'm working with. 4 dogs and 5 cats. All right, and now I'm going to draw a picture to go with this problem to help me solve it. So, okay, I'm going to draw my 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's my 4 dogs to start. And then I have to draw my 5 cats. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw 5 cats. If you have a piece of paper, you can be doing this with me. I have my 4 dogs and my 5 cats. Okay, so now they want to know how many pets are there in all. There are blank pets in all. What does in all mean? That's our total. How many pets do we have all together? Well, let's count. We know there's 4 dogs, so 4 we can count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pets in all. Now I'm going to do my number sentence. Remember, it's going to go right along. So how many did I start with? How many pets first? 4 dogs plus how many cats? 5 cats equals a total of how many pets all together? 9 pets all together. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, I have to fill in my number bond. Okay, now think about what numbers are we going to be using? 4, 5, and 9. Where is the whole number going to go? Where's that big number going to go? Yeah, up top here, all alone, 9. And then I have my 2 parts connected to the lines, 4 and 5. So I know 4 plus 5 equals 9. Very good. All right, before we go, I am going to teach you a fun little game you can play. to practice finding the missing part to fill in number bonds. Now, this is only a game that I teach to kids that are rockin' math, and you are rockin' math, so I'm going to teach it to you. So here is the template, okay? This is a number bond game called Target Practice. If you don't have this template, you can make your own. It's just a circle at the top for the target number. And then it just has a bunch of number bonds, but instead of an opening where the whole number is, it's a target. Because on the same, on the page, the whole number, the target number is the same for all of these number bonds. Okay, so I'm gonna read the directions. Choose a target number between 6 and 10. So the target number has to be 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. And write it in the middle of the circle on the top of the page. This is where we're going to put our target number when it's time. Roll a die. So you're going to need a die for this game. And write the number that you rolled in one of the part boxes in the number bond. Okay, and then once you have that, you have to find the missing part. So let's see, what should our target number be between 6 and 10? How about 10? Sure. So our target number is going to be 10 for the whole page. So this whole game, our target number is going to be 10. I'm going to write that number in my target number circle. So now I have my die. I'm going to roll it. Whoop. Okay, I rolled a 4. So my first part in my first number bond is going to be a 4. Now, wait a minute though. What's my whole number? I don't know what my whole number is. Oh, it's my target number. So the whole page, my target number, my whole number is 10. So I have to go 4 up to 10. Okay, let's do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is our missing number? 6. Very good. So we know that 4 plus 6 equals our target number, 10. Great job. Okay, I'm going to show you another way that you can find the missing number. This is when it's helpful to have those 10 counter cubes that we talk about. We just need 10. Now my target number is 10 for the whole page. So I'm going to put all 10 cubes in front of me. If my target number was 6, I would only have 6 cubes in front of me, and I'd put the rest over to the side. So here are my 10 cubes. Now, I rolled a 4, so I knew my first part was 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my first part of 10. What's my other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll practice that again on the next round. Okay, I'm moving on to my next number bond. Let's see, I'm going to give it a lucky one. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I rolled a 5. So where am I going to put that 5? Right here. That's going to be the first part of my next number bond. 5. And then I have to find the missing part. So 5 up to my whole. Part up to whole. 5 up to 10. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. We made it to the target number. My missing number is 5. Good. And if I was using my cubes, I still have my 10 cubes because that's my whole number for this whole page. And I rolled a 5. So my first part is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left in my group of 10? What's my other group, my other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it matches what I got by counting up. Good job. Okay, so that is how you play target practice. And It's fun because you get to roll the dice. You have to be a detective and find that missing number. And you get to choose the target number. So maybe the first time you play through the whole sheet, it's 10. But maybe next time you say, I just did 10. I'm going to change my target number to 7. Okay, the only thing to remember is the target number has to be between 6 and 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Okay, friends. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson and enjoyed our fun little math game. 2 thumbs up. Point them at yourself. I am a mathematician. Good job. You did a great job today. Kiss your brain. Mwah! And I will see you next time. Goodbye.